Valencia, historical, dynamic, open, avant-garde. Valencia is living a constant transformation and continuously looking to the future as its local police. This is the Valencia's Local Police Integral Security Department. Here we work for the wellness and the protection of our citizens. This is the best example of innovation and development dedicated to the management of all kinds of police services, emergencies and crowded events. We monitor the city through TV screens, we can verify the behavior of the crowd, we use the applications of a smart city orientated to the security and much more. The latest technologies in the service of an efficient police response and, what is more, with a constant commitment for the innovation and the development, a real test bed to implement pilot projects and demonstrations, with real scenes and 1,700 highly qualified policemen, all within the field of security and research.
This is our operational room, a perfect test bed for implementing new ICT tools and solutions on security.
Rely on us to investigate. We work to improve security and we believe in innovation and development. We want to increase our efficiency, our resilience and the quality of life of our citizens. In addition, the Valencia's local police has a wide and solvent experience in the management of European projects. We work for the security, we work for the innovation and development, we work for you.